Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Detrella here. I own a sticker business. So if you've been keeping up with my journey, it's only been 3 months since I opened up my business, and right now it's a little slow as I expected. But this video is mostly going to be a recap of everything I've been doing lately, what I made lately. So let's get started. So let's start off with the keychain. Ask y'all what keychain y'all would like to see. Y'all told me like something cozy, you know, something pertaining to winter and fall. So I was like, okay, gotcha. So I came out with these. These are the keychains. So cute, and she's adorable. So cute, and I'll show you the clip on when I was unboxing everything. Guys, I'm so excited. Guess what? They're here. So the keychains that y'all all voted on, thank you for all the feedback, by the way. They're here. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. And they're the right size, and they look so freaking good. Comparing to this one, I mean, yeah, this is a complete difference. I'm in love with this so much. I might just give this as a freebie since it's so tiny, but look how good. Oh, I'm in love with this, like so freaking cute. And look at this one. This one has a protective film which is blue, which kind of scared the crap out of me, but when you take it off, you can see. All right, that's how it looks. Oh, they look so good. Look, Black Panther power, like hello, so freaking cute. And so I also made backings, keychain backings. I think that's what's called, I don't know, but keychain backings for the keychains, and it looks like this. This was so cute, and I was like, oh, I wanted to do something like very girly, very pinkish, very cute, very demure, you know. And this is how it came out. So yeah, I was so happy when I made these keychains, and actually it's been a big hit. I sold 10 of them so far, which that's pretty good. If you buy a keychain, you get a mini one, which this is the tiniest one. I didn't realize how small it would come until like it got here, and I was like, that is so small. But compare the small one to this one, it's kind of like insane. I love them both. So if you buy one, you get this one. You get a freebie because that one is tiny to sell on its own. So the next thing, I made my bookmarks. And so I'll show you a few of them, but roll the clips of me making my bookmarks. This is the Demure bookmark, which I think it came out so cute. Demure Juice, so adorable. And then I did the pumpkin spice. If which I noticed that with my printer, the oranges come out different. Sometimes it comes out lighter, and then sometimes it comes out dark, which I gotta figure that out. Eventually, I'm gonna invest in a better printer, but right now, this is what I have, so I'm gonna work with what I got, you know? Read more, talk less, and I did 2 different colors, pink and purple, and then pink and light pink, and I think these are the adorable, so cute. I think they're so cute, and they came out so good and vibrant. I made these last 2. Now wait, focus. Okay, these last 2 I made, but obviously this one I don't think I can sell this one. I forget that when I created it, I was like, oh, this is so cute, like I can sell this, like but then I realized I'm gonna get sued if I sell this. So what I'm thinking, if people buy 2 bookmarks, I'll give 1 of these for free. Yeah, since I can't sell it, and I love the play, I love Wicked, like, oh, anyway, since I can't sell it, if you buy 2, you get 1 of these Wicked bookmarks for free. And I also been playing with like different lamination sheets, so I got the holographic one, and oh my god, look how pretty. It's obviously not vibrant as the other ones are, only because it's on cardstock, and I realized, like you said, see in the video, that cardstock is not good with my printer, at least. I don't know if you try a different printer, cardstock might work, but on my printer likes photo paper. So as you can see the difference, this is cardstock and this is photo paper, so it's not as vibrant as it should be, which sucks, but that's okay, that's fine. I'm gonna work what I got. And so my next creation that I want to do is I want to make like a bow bookmark. I created this and I was like, this is so freaking cute, like look how cute this bow is, but it's obviously mad big compared to a bookmark. I mean, hello, it's huge, but I only printed it out just to see what it looked like, and I'm thinking maybe I should put it as a keychain instead of a bookmark, or maybe I should do both and figure that out. Let me know in the comments what I should do. If I should put it as a keychain, or if I should put it as a bookmark. We'll see. And then the last thing that I created, if you obviously order from me, I made these thank you cards, which came out so freaking cute. And then in the front, Nyoka. Like Nyoka, she's adorable. So cute, definitely giving like winter fall vibes, and I just loved it. I love it. So next year I'll make new ones, but this is what I'm gonna go with. And then when it hits next year in January, I'll make a new thank you card. Will I do that every month? Probably not. I also made some art prints, so let me show you guys that. This is one of my art prints of Nyoka. Too cute. Nyoka in a cherry bucket hat with like fall leaves around it. I think it was so cute. And I also have videos on that. But before I show you that video, I also have Nyoka on skis. Look how cute and vibrant. And then I almost forgot that I made journal stickers, which I think they came out super cute, fall, winter. I can say like these didn't do as good as I thought it would do on my website. The others did great, especially like the keychains. I think the keychains is really a hit, but my stickers not so much. But that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna keep trying, keep working on it. I think these are one of my best sellers. Stickers as well. There we go. Ron makes everything better, and sprinkle kindness like confetti. My newest sticker, which I don't have a video of me making this, but my newest sticker is Self Love Club, and I think this came out really cute. It was just a fun little cute little design that I wanted to put together. So yeah, that's my latest update of all my products. If you want to get these products, of course, the link will be down in the description box below. And I'm sorry if this video was so short, but it's like mad late at night and I decided to make a video like right now because I had all the energy in the world. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you know every time a girl uploads. And I see you guys in my next one. Bye.